Hello friends, today we will be making the lacha parathas at home from the wheat flour. So for this first we need these ingredients. First is wheat flour, then it's desi ghee, this is kasturi methi and some salt. So first we will take wheat flour in a bowl and we'll be kneading the wheat flour. We'll use some water to knead the flour. So we'll be adding water slowly into the flour. We'll be adding water slowly so that the wheat flour doesn't get very much wet, because then it will be difficult to add too much water into the wheat flour, because it will be very difficult to knead it just a add-on tip, do not add too much of water into the wheat flour, because if it gets too much wet it will be difficult to handle the kneaded wheat flour. So just put a hand like this over the wheat flour so that the water deeply goes inside the wheat flour and it is soft. Now we will keep this dough after kneading at rest for like 15 minutes and then we'll make lacha parathas out of it. Our dough is ready now and now we will be making lacha parathas out of it. We'll take a small portion of it, roll it like this. We're taking good amount of portion of dough. Now we'll be putting into a dry wheat flour. After that, we'll be rolling it like this. When it's nicely rolled, we'll apply desi ghee over it. We'll add a pinch of salt. You can add salt as per your taste and then spread the salt and desi ghee over this. Now we will be folding it away so that we get a multi-layer lachas in our paratha. Now we will be rolling it this way so that the lachas are on the top. And we'll lock it like this so that our dough does not get opened and our lachas are still in form, properly layered. We will put this round small portion of lacha paratha into the fridge at rest for like 5 to 10 minutes. This is an add-on tip. When you will add this into the fridge, all the lachas will get properly in shape after getting into the fridge. Now we have taken this out of the fridge and it is ready to roll the lacha paratha. We are ready with it and now we'll be rolling it into the lacha paratha. Take a cooker and switch on the gas and we'll preheat the cooker to put lachha paranthas into it. This serves the purpose of the tandoor lachha parantha. We have to roll it just only from the one side. Do not roll it from the other side. Roll it very slowly. Do not put a lot of pressure while rolling it. Now put a ghee over the parantha which you have rolled and put kasturi methi on the top of it so that kasturi methi gets stick to the paratha. Now pick your paratha in your one hand. On the back side of the paratha put water. We are applying this water on the paratha so that this paratha gets stick to the base of the cooker. Put water nicely. Now we'll be dropping this paratha inside the cooker which was preheated for around 5 minutes. Now we will be making lachha paratha in the cooker like this. We'll invert the cooker upside down and we'll be making parathas. The add-on tip over here is that keep the cooker on the top of the flame at a certain distance so that your paratha is not overly cooked. Our paratha is ready and we will take it out from the cooker. It's ready. Apply some ghee on it and smash it so that it's applied on every side of the paratha. Paratha is ready to serve. Eating this lovely lachha paratha with some chana and salad. Have a happy meal. Bye bye.